Here's a quick little wiper blade hack I've been doing for a few years now. I like these wipers here. You know, they're even pressure from across. Don't care for these. But you know, these are the expensive ones. These are cheap. But I found out you can actually pop the ends off these. This is what this one looks like if I'll focus. So the metal looks like anyway. It has this cap that went on there. Just gotta be careful not to break it. And then I'll just pull out that rubber off the old one, pull the rubber out off the new one, and then slide the new one into the old one, and it works perfect. I just gotta be careful. Make sure you don't rip the new one like this. This is why I'm replacing this one. This one is ripped, but other than that, it works just as good as this one does, but you're getting it a lot cheaper. So I just thought I'd share that.